Hello everyone, it's your girl here, Maame Dentaa, African mommy in Deutschland. This evening I was so restless, so I decided to get up and just pick up stuff around the house. I have a lot of little projects that I have to complete that I haven't done that. So I just wanted to pick up around the house, clean. If you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family so I can make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad I did this short recording of when I brought up my summer stuff. I am one of those people that I change wardrobes and then store the things that are out of season away. So I did put all my summer stuff in the killer. It's basically a basement storage in our apartment. So I chucked it in my daughter's room. And this evening when I was feeling very restless, I decided to go through and see what I had. I would love to know, do you also change wardrobes? Do you live in a country where the seasons change and you have to change wardrobes? I really decided to do that because I found that I had so much summer stuff and I was always keeping it. And because I have such a tiny apartment, I was finding it difficult to keep my apartment organized and clean with clothes everywhere. And then I used to think I had clothes, and then winter would come and I would have nothing to wear and I will be layering the summer stuff, which it's a bad idea. I still don't have a really good winter wardrobe, so I am trying to work on that. So when all the summer stuff is away, then I know that I have stuff that I need to buy, like sweaters and jackets and stuff like that. When packing up my stuff, I like to put them in these vacuum seal bags like the one I'm opening right now. For the summer stuff, I had to take them out and use them to store my cushions. I'm just opening it with my teeth. Oh my god, how barbaric. But yeah, I store them in the bags and it allows me to have more space. These are scented vacuum storage bags. I got them from Action and they were quite affordable. I don't remember the price, but I have had them and I always use them for my cushions, and I just let the air out and then there's less space. So for winter it's so good because I have all these bulky jackets and sweaters that I have to organize. I decided to go ahead and decorate the windows for my daughter. She is sleeping in my room, so I decided to take the opportunity to do that. It's something that I really love, something that I think is quintessentially German. I think the Netherlands as well, so I love that. I have a tiny apartment, so I avoid curtains and I use blinds rather, so decorating the windows is a special treat for me. I'm just adding some knickknacks that I have already to make the window look pretty. Next time I will just go ahead and show how it looks, because I realized since I'm new to YouTube, when people finish doing their cleaning and their organizing or decorating, they like to show the end result, which I haven't been doing, so I'm just going to remind myself to do that. I'm also wearing a bonnet from my personal collection. I do bonnets as well. I will leave the link below under Ohima Beauty. I love having these bonnets to keep my hair moisturized and to keep my style intact. I also wanted to take this time to ask how you're doing during this period. What changes have happened in your life during this corona period, and how are things going? I live in Germany, like the name says. From next month, we're going to have a situation where everybody's going to have to wear masks to go on public transport, and there are still a lot of people getting sick, but I am so happy that things are getting to normal. When I went to the shops, everything was there, and we're just praying and hoping that things will go back to normal. It has been quite difficult for me, especially with the homeschooling in a second language. So it has been a struggle. So I'm just looking forward to my daughter going back to school full time. How has it been on your end? I would love to hear. Just leave it in the comment section. I would love to read all about how you're coping with the virus and things that are going on wherever you are. So once that's done, I decided to pick up after myself. In the dining session is like a total mess. My daughter does her homeschooling there, so I just want to organize it. I just wanted to also show you this. This is a gift from my friend Tutu. She does face masks. Like I mentioned, it's compulsory now from Monday. So this lovely gift was from my daughter, but I love it so much I'm going to be using it as well. But I have prepared myself and gotten some other masks as well. Thank you, Tutu. So I'm just finishing up with the dining section, and then I can go ahead and maybe do the bathroom as well and the kitchen. My kitchen was a total mess, but I just wanted to clear up everything on the sink area and the cooking area, but I will be leaving a pot over there for it to soak overnight. But I put all the dishes away. I cleaned up the whole area. I'm quite proud of myself. I want to do some deep cleaning in the kitchen at a later time, and I am gonna work towards shooting that video. Because of the angle of the kitchen is quite awkward, but I'll see what I can do. I wanted to go ahead and prepare the laundry for tomorrow and then clean up because my daughter had her bath, so just clean up the bathroom so I can have a fresh and clean bathroom for tomorrow. I think I never really had that energy to do midnight cleaning or midnight organization or picking up stuff. I rarely ever have the energy, so I felt really good that I was able to do something and just get myself in a good place to see how tomorrow comes. I am done with everything, so I just want to go ahead and schedule post for my Facebook group. So if you don't know, I have a Facebook group called African Mummies in Deutschland, and we share everything about life in Germany, information about Germany, laws, regulations, childcare, everything to do with life in Germany. So if you haven't joined, please go ahead and look in the link below and then go ahead and join, and we will be able to share information and resources about how to better our life in Germany. I really appreciate this short time that I was able to pick up. Being a newcomer in Germany, learning the language was super difficult for me, and I have lived here for 8 years now, so I look forward to doing videos about my experiences and what I've learned and how I was able to overcome all the challenges. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and press the notification bell so whenever I do a video, you can be alerted. Thank you for watching.